In today's video, I'm going to teach you Squarespace shipping tutorial, how to set up shipping profile in Squarespace. Start by opening your Squarespace site dashboard. From the main menu, head into Settings, then look for Selling. Inside Selling, open Shipping, and choose the option to set up shipping rates for your store. This is where your store's shipping profile lives and where you'll add and manage the options customers see at checkout. Click Add Shipping option and choose Flat Rate. Give this option a clear name your customers will recognize, like Standard Shipping or Express. Enter the flat price you want to charge and, if available, add a short description to set expectations about speed or handling time. Next, choose where this rate applies. You can apply it to all regions or limit it to specific countries or zones. Pick the country or countries you want to serve with this rate. Make sure the status is enabled so it actually shows at checkout, then save. Add another shipping option and select weight-based. This lets you charge different prices depending on how heavy the order is. Name the option, then set a minimum and maximum weight range for the first tier, followed by the price for that range. Confirm your weight unit matches your store's product weights, for example pounds or kilograms. If your store uses a different unit than what's shown, switch it here so your calculations are correct. Choose the countries or regions where this weight-based option will be available, enable the option, and save. You can return later to add more ranges as your catalog grows. Add one more shipping option and choose Carrier Calculated. This pulls live rates from supported carriers at checkout based on the shopper's address, the package weight, and the services you allow. Give the option a descriptive name customers will trust. Select the carrier and services you want to offer, such as ground or expedited, and review any handling fee or markup you'd like to apply. As with the other methods, set the regions where this applies, turn it on, and save. A few quick tips to finish strong. Make sure every product has an accurate weight. Live and weight-based rates rely on it. Keep your origin address and preferred units correct in your store settings so rates calculate properly. After setting up, run a test checkout with different addresses and items to confirm the right options and prices appear. You can edit, reorder, or disable any option anytime as your shipping strategy evolves. That's it. Your shipping profile